Florida, the Sunshine State, is one of the most beautiful and fastest-growing real estate markets in America. People from all over the world are moving to Florida for its warm weather, no state income tax, and lifestyle opportunities. But here's what many don't realize: buying land in Florida can be one of the smartest long-term investments of 2025. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to buy land in Florida, what to check before you invest, and how you can earn long-term profits even if you live outside the US. So stay tuned till the end, because one piece of land can change your financial future. Florida's population is growing fast. Over 1,000 new people move there every single day. That means more homes, more businesses, and higher demand for land. The state has one of the strongest economies in the US, with big industries like tourism, real estate, tech, and agriculture. Land in Florida gives investors several advantages. It's cheaper compared to California or New York. There's no state income tax. The weather allows building and farming all year round. Whether you want to build a house, rent a property, or just hold land and wait for its value to rise, Florida gives you many options. The first and most important step is location. Florida has 3 major regions. North Florida, cheaper, rural, quiet, great for long-term or farming investments. Central Florida, near cities like Orlando, Lakeland, and Ocala, perfect for residential development. South Florida, cities like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Naples, expensive but high in demand. Think about what you want. If you plan to build a house, buy near cities. If you just want to hold land, rural plots can give better returns at a lower price. Remember, land value grows fastest near developing areas with new roads, schools, or industries. Before you invest, you must do proper due diligence. Here's what to check. Zoning laws. Every county decides what you can build. Some land is for houses, others for farming, and some for conservation only. Flood zone. Florida has hurricanes and floods. Use FEMA maps to see if the land is safe. Utilities. Does the land have water, sewer, and electricity? Setting up utilities later can be expensive. Access road. Make sure there's a legal way to reach your land. Some rural plots are landlocked. Title and ownership. Always check the title report. Avoid land with unpaid taxes, loans, or legal problems. A professional title company or real estate lawyer can help with all these checks. This step protects your money before you sign anything. Now let's talk about how you can actually find land for sale. The easiest way is online listings. You can use websites like Zillow, LandWatch, Realtor.com, FloridaLandOffice.com. You can also contact a local real estate agent who specializes in land. Once you find a property you like, the process is simple. Make an offer and sign a purchase agreement. Pay a small deposit, usually 5 to 10%. The title company checks all legal details. Then you close the deal, pay the balance, and the deed is transferred in your name. If you're buying from another country, don't worry, foreigners can legally own land in Florida. You'll just need your passport and a US bank account or payment service to transfer funds. Prices depend on the location and size. In North Florida, you can buy 1 acre of land for as low as $7,000 to $15,000. In Central Florida, near Orlando, it can range between $20,000 and $60,000 per acre. In South Florida, or near beaches, land can easily cross $100,000 per acre. You'll also need to pay yearly property taxes, which are usually 1 to 2% of the property value. There may be small closing costs, like title fees and paperwork charges. Once you own the land, you have several options. Hold it as a long-term investment and sell when prices rise. Build a rental home or vacation property. Use it for farming or storage. Or simply enjoy it as a private weekend getaway. Many investors keep their land empty for years, and then sell it later for 2 or 3 times the price. That's how real estate wealth quietly grows. Land is one of the safest assets you can own. They're not making more of it. Florida offers a unique opportunity in 2025 for smart investors. Whether you're in the US or abroad, you can start small and grow big. This is Capital Mindset, helping you grow your money with knowledge and strategy. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart investment ideas.